Huh? What's that glow?
Boo! Hee hee! Ah! A ghost! Get away! Let's play!
Bro! My fridge just said close the door at 3 a.m. I'm not hungry. I'm emotionally empty. If I step on a Lego, I'm suing the house. Why is my fridge glowing like it has Wi-Fi? Ayo! Who opened that? I live alone! Milk, if you move, I'm deleting the whole kitchen. Ah! Don't do that! Woo-hoo-hoo! Ketchup, stop! You're not in Fast and Furious! Close the door. It's cold outside. I just wanted ice cream because I'm chill. Pay the electric bill! Wait, who's in my freezer?